name is Aditya Rajkumar Pandey.
Aditya Rajkumar Pandey. Aditya Raj, just you tell something about yourself to both of the teachers.
First of all, my good morning to you all. My name is Aditya Rajkumar Pandey. I am studying in class 10th B in Viganand Kendra Vidyalaya, Chanaur, Siwan. My hobby is to reading books, and my weakness is sleeping, and my strengthness is
Sleeping.
playing games.
Okay, pleasure. Who is the writer of the Midnight Rooster?
I don't know.
Name the characters of A Question of Trust.
Horace Denby and a lady.
Why Tisa got me? Just was continuously, just she was helpless. What the reason behind that? Tisa got me to become helpless.
Because his son is dead and her son is dead, and she visiting here and there to find medicines for
For what reason Annie had no boyfriend? Can you tell something about Russian marriage?
sorry, no.
You do not know about, have you heard this word in any chapter?
Russian marriage,
Russian marriage.
the proposal chapter
About the study it.
studied
Why did Lenchu call bunch of crooks to the post office workers?
because he wanted 100 pesos but he gets 70 pesos, so he thinks that
Thank you, Megona.
Surya Pratap Singh Pandey.
yes sir.
Surya Pratap Pandey, tell you something about yourself to both of the teachers, so we can ask some questions for you.
First of all, I want to thank you, sir, for listening me.
Yes.
My name is Surya Pratap Pandey. I read in class 10th. I study in Viganand Kendra Vidyalaya, which is situated in Chanaur, Siwan.
Yes.
My hobby is to reading books. My aim is to be a successful trader in my life.
Okay, you have said I just studied in Viganand Kendriya Vidyalaya, which is situated in Chanaur Siwan.
Yes, sir.
In Chanaur Siwan, in preposition suitable before Siwan, or there should be another preposition.
Yeah.
Sir, I have no any idea about this.
Yes.
Sir, I have not any idea.
Which chapter have you studied well for a school?
Sir, the letter to God I have studied well recently.
For what reason the title of this story is given related to God?
In this story, a man whose name is Lancho, who believes in God, and when the Lancho's crop is destroyed through a wind and hailstorm, then he thought that the God will save me, and the God will give me the pesos which can I live my life for 1 year. Then he wrote the letter to God for 100 pesos, and then when the employees saw that, then they knows that Lancho believes in God.
What is the literal message of fire and ice? What is the literal meaning of fire and ice?
Sir, fire means hate. The literal meaning of fire means hate, and ice.
Fire means? Repeat.
The literal meaning of fire means desire,
Yes.
and ice means hate.
Sir.
Who is the poet of the poem Last of Song?
Who is the poet of Dust?
Sorry, sir. I don't.
Things apart. Who is the central character of the story, A Question of Trust?
Please repeat, sir. I can't
Who
hear.
is the central character of the story, A Question of Trust?
The central character of the story is that lady which was already in that bungalow.
I just want to know the name of the central character.
The name of lady is not discussed. Okay, thank you. May go now.
Thank you, sir.
Next participant. Yeah.
कैसा लगता है सर?
What is your name, dear?
My name is Ankit Singh.
Ankit Singh, tell me something about yourself to both of your teachers.
Myself Ankit Singh. I am studying in 10th B from Viganand Kendriya Vidyalaya, Chanaur Siwan.
Ankit,
Yes, sir.
recently which poem you have read from your book?
I have studied Dust of Snow. chapter.
Dust of Snow. Who is the writer of this poem?
Robert Frost.
Robert Frost, the writer of this poem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dust of Snow is which poetic device? This title. Which poetic device is which poetic device?
I have no idea. I have not
No
read.
idea.
Yes, sir.
Have you just read synecdoches? The poetic device?
No, sir.
No. Can you tell me what is the difference between metaphor and simile?
Metaphor and
And simile.
simile.
Can you give it what is epiphora and anaphora difference between? Both are just poetic devices. Yes, I can ask.
You have to tell other freedom fighters of South Africa.
Other than Nelson Mandela.
Yes.
Uh,
Some names have been given.
Thabo Mbeki. Yes.
Where did the inauguration ceremony take place?
Elaboration ceremony take place in Pretoria, capital of South Africa, in a amphitheater formed by sandstone.
Which lesson, which story of your book is written by K.E. Abbas?
What's that?
K.E. Abbas. Who is the writer of Molly?
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, coming please. Pin the mic.
What is your name, dear?
My name is Alok Kumar.
Alok.
Yes.
Okay. Alok, just you tell something about yourself to both your teachers so I can ask some questions.
Good morning, sir. I am Alok Kumar of class 10th B. I am studying in Viganand Kendriya Vidyalaya. My hobby is to explore the world. I like adventurous person, and my family is a little bit extrovert. That's all about me, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now just because you are just going to adventure, so I can ask some question later that. And just to tell who is the writer of the Making of Scientist?
H.G. Wells.
Very good. And just what he did in the kindergarten.
What he did? He used to trap monarch X butterflies.
Which book really just explode in him something
The-
and changed his mind to do something in future?
Yes, sir. The Travel of Monarch X.
Who is the writer of that? Who is just writer
Yeah.
of that?
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. Just
What was the role of the necklace in the life of the Loyalists?
The necklace has bring Matilda on the path that end with regret. Matilda has a content with luxurious thing, and he used to see. I'm sorry. See, believe on a materialistic world like that. Yes, sir.
What was the name of Matilda's friend?
Forrester.
Thank you.
okay. Next, please take one. Just come and solve the third one question. The manager as well as the employees were satisfied with the company's performance.
The manager as well as the employees were satisfied with them. I think were is wrong.
Very well. Was there very much.
I'm sorry.
What is your name, dear?
My name is Aryan Kumar.
Aryan Kumar. Aryan, tell me something about yourself to both our teachers. I can ask some questions from you.
Sir, my name is Aryan Kumar and I am studying in class 10th B. The name of my school is Vigyanan Kendra Vidyalaya. I am from Vasakhav. My hobby is to playing cricket.
Okay, very well. Aryan, just you tell recently which chapter from your both books you have read.
From first flight, I have read Lencho from Lencho.
A letter to God.
Letter to God.
What is the name of chapter? Letter to God or Lenchu?
A letter to God.
A letter to God. Okay, very well. And to whom and why Lenchu used a word a bunch of proofs?
To whom he used bunch of crooks towards to postmasters and post office do masters and post.
Okay, no problem. Have you read that a midnight lecture?
Yes, sir.
Tell the practice.
Max. Max. Also, Audible. One more. Right.
What was the name of the script writer?
Script writer. No idea, sir.
I don't know. Why did the conductor address the little girl, madam?
Because he is 8 years old and he was a small girl and he was alone.
Are you sure? What is operative sentence?
Operative sentence.
In narration, you have just thank you. Keep your time.
Vikas Kumar Gupta. Vikas, introduce yourself.
My name is Vikas Kumar Gupta from class 10C of your reputed school, Vigyanan Kendra Vidyalaya.
You have said your reputed school. Why or not?
It's not your issue.
You have said in your reputed school. So is it not your school? Because just you tell in which chapter you are more comfortable from your both books.
A letter to God.
A letter to God. A letter to God. And what do you want to say through this title of letter to God? So speak some lines on it.
Lencho faith in God.
Okay, what is ironic situation? In this chapter, in the question number 2, there is a given ironic situation. What is it? In the same chapter. Okay, no problem.
What message K. Abbas has given to the society through the story, or either through the character Bholi?
सर हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं थोड़ा. Bholi's face was not beautiful. Is not beautiful. Bholi's father.
It was none to Bholi.
Become, no problem.
Become.
Your teachers, we are our teachers.
It was none to Bholi that December was an old man. Are you comfort? Are you feeling comfort? Are you feeling comfort? It was none to Bholi that December was an old man, but she became ready to marry with him. What was the reason?
Because she is not beautiful, and Bholi's father.
Thank you. You may go now.
What is your name, dear?
My name is Sachin Kumar Singh. My name is Sachin Kumar Singh.
Sachin Kumar Singh, you speak a little louder. Audible that. Just tell something about yourself.
क्या?
Tell something about yourself.
My name is Sachin Kumar Singh, student of class 10C, studying in Viganan Kendra Vidyalaya Chanaur Siwan. We situated in Chanaur, Bihar. Chanaur Siwan, Bihar.
Have you read the ball poem?
Ball poem?
The midnight visitor?
No.
A question trust?
No.
Which chapter have you read?
Lencho.
Lencho. Lencho is the name of chapter.
Trump of Surgery.
A crime for surgery. Who is the writer of the chapter?
James Herriot.
James Herriot. And teacher, what is the character as in the chapter of this person?
Mr. Pomfrey.
What as a role Mr. Herriot played in the chapter?
In this chapter, Mr. Herriot, role played by Doctor.
Thank you.
Horace Denby was an expert thief.
क्या?
Horace Denby was an expert thief.
Horace.
Horace Denby. In spite of so many preparations, for what reason he fell in the trap of that lady?
No, sorry.
Have you studied a question of trust?
No.
You have not studied.
क्या?
Have you studied any poem?
The poem?
You have not studied any poem?
No.
You may go.
Thank you.
Paint it in your search color. Yes. Search color. Search color.
Surjit Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Surjit, say something about yourself.
Sir, my name is myself Surjit Kumar Singh. I am from.
Speak louder. Yes.
Sir, my name is Surjit Singh. I am from Nandpali, and I read in class 10th C
Yes.
in VK Vichanaur Siwan.
In BKB Channel. Now just you tell in which chapter you are more comfortable from your both books.
Sir, related word.
Later
To God.
When Lenchu's wife was cooking a food, at the same time, what the sons of Lenchu were doing?
Sir, her small kids are playing in the field, but young children of the Lencho's wife are doing work in field.
Was Lucas of Plaque? With what Lucas of Plaque is compared?
Compared from the hailstorm destructions. मतलब कि सर हिंदी में नहीं बोल सकते सर. When the hailstorm is caused, then the destruction.
He said a bunch of cook and why?
Lencho said to the employees of bank bunch of crooks because he think because he get only 70 pesos and left he think.
Your name, please?
Surjit Singh.
Mr. Surjit Singh, have you studied accept a letter to God in history?
Yes sir.
Which story?
Thief story.
Why did Hari Singh return to his master again?
Because he realized कि when he because when he arrived to the railway station, then he realized after missing his trains and the सर मतलब वो भूल जाता है, मतलब वो सोचता है कि मेरे पैसे ख़त्म हो जाएंगे तो फिर वो इंग्लिश पढ़ना लिखना कैसे सीखेगा.
Thank you.